Hello guys, hello all the crypto fans, and welcome back to the Crypto Lifestyle channel. In one of my last videos I promised you that I will talk more about Covesting module of PrimeXBT exchange, which is basically a module that allows us to copy traders. Anyone can be a trader. You have two possibilities to cooperate with PrimeXBT exchanges with the Covesting module. You can follow the trader. So basically this is an option for beginners, for people who don't have time to trade, for people who want to have a passive income. Of course, I strongly advise you do your own research and well, just don't leave it, okay? Even if you follow a trader, please log in from time to time to see what is happening. You can always withdraw all your funds and take out your crypto. Okay, so if you log into the main page, if you want to know how the whole platform works, you can watch my last video about PrimeXBT exchange, a comprehensive review. So after you log in, you'll see here in the main page a possibility to start a new following or open new strategy. If you are a trader, if you feel like a professional, if you know technical and fundamental analysis, you can become a trader and earn more by people following you. Okay, I will talk more about how it works in a minute. So let's go to the Covesting module. Here you'll see the ratings. There are many different characteristics, but first of all, let's research a little bit the whole platform. So there is a separate page for Covesting because they have their own token, many different possibilities to earn, just like holding this token. So let's look at the information about the token itself. So Covesting COV token is a utility token designed to be used by members with the Covesting ecosystem. Okay, all Covesting B2B solutions are scalable and can be easily integrated into third-party platforms. Probably they will release many new possibilities. There is staking, there is yield program. So right now the token is worth 53 cents. There is a little pullback on the market, so everything, most of the tokens are having a little bit of correction, but it might be a good time to buy the token because usually beginners buy crypto when it's all green. But the best time actually is when it's red, when the price is low, especially if you want to keep the token for the long term. So if you go to the coinmarketcap and you search for Covesting token COV, you'll see the information about the price changes. So the highest price from, as I can see, was $2.78. Okay, you can see the volume, etc. So you'll see that the trading volume in the last 24 hours was pretty high. Okay, you can see the market cap, etc. Yeah, so how to buy this token? So you can buy it on Uniswap, and if you want to stake on the platform, and I will show you the benefits of staking it, you'll need an ERC20 token. But if you want to buy and hold it, maybe it's a better idea to buy it on pancakeswap, which has lower fees. So you can buy and hold on your MetaMask connected to Binance Smart Chain. You can also buy it simply on KuCoin exchange. Okay, so like I said, you are able to stake it, and if you go, let's say you want to follow it, you can basically, by staking, you can reduce the fees. Okay, we'll talk about the fees in a minute, how it works and how much do you have to pay from your profit that you are making with the trader. But if you want to lower the fees, lower the entry fee, increase your profit share, increase your individual following limit, because there are limits, You can stake the tokens. For example, to get the advanced status, you need to stake $3,000 worth of COV token, okay? And you'll also have a 10% trading fee discount. If you have a huge capital like $10,000, you can get the premium status or elite status. Will give you more discounts, and for example in elite you'll have unlimited limit, okay? The token, here you can see that the token, the Covesting aims to burn up to 50% of the fees generated within the copy trading module, okay? So here you'll see the transaction IDs of recent burns. So it might, it is good for the long-term price of the token that they are doing the burns. It might, get the price higher in the future, so that's important. I would also like to show you an article about Satoshi Bets, which is a group of traders, I guess. What they did, they invested $400,000 and turned it into $8.5 million in just 4 days by following the traders on Covesting module. You'll see the proofs here. You can go to Twitter and see it, how they did it, okay? So yeah, it's possible to have really good profits with the Covesting module, okay? You can also go to Twitter, if you want to research it, if you want some proofs, you can go there and see all the proofs you need. If you have if you want to switch between mainnets, you can switch from Binance chain to Ethereum chain using the bridge. The link to the bridge you'll find here on this page, okay? So this is how it looks like. So we can switch from Ethereum to Binance or the other way around, okay? Also, if you go to medium.com/covesting, you'll see a lot of articles that will help if you're a beginner. It's always good to get some education before you do anything, especially if you're a beginner, to understand how it works, okay? I will not show you all these articles, but it's good to do some research on your own. So you have a lot of articles here about Covesting on their Medium page. Also, they want to launch this yield account. It will be launched in the Q3 of 2021. Right now you can join the waiting list, but you can see a preview if you go if you find PrimeXBT section for traders. You'll see an article that will show you how it will work, and some screenshots preview of this staking options up to 35% per year, they say. So this possibility will be open soon. You'll see that you can make, if you just hold it, you can stake it and then take additional profit by staking, which might be a good option for people who want to earn some additional income and they are holding tokens anyway. So you can use staking to make your profits even bigger, and the price get high, you can get a really nice profit, okay? So let's go back to the ratings and let's see how to look for a good trader. So first of all, what most people do, they will look for the total profit, okay, and they will look for the highest possible. And the highest possible right now, the total highest is over 26,000% profit. But as you can see, if you click here on this small icon, you will see that this strategy, this person, this manager reached the maximum cap of following equity. So you cannot really follow this trader because, well, he reached the maximum, okay? He has almost 30 Bitcoin in his account, which is equivalent to $1.4 million as of now. He has three stars, of 5 possible, so pretty good rating, but you cannot follow him, so you need to look for other ones. So first thing you can do, you can select the people with the highest rating. So This icon will mean that this trader passed ID verification. So he verified himself with the exchange. So yeah, he's not anonymous. It might be important for some people who want to have like a safer strategy, theoretically, of course, because there are many different aspects to it. And you'll see a small description. So yeah, so time to join the top one. Might miss a breakout, but when fear and on-chain indicators call for bottom, corrections will come. Don't get fooled by 100x YOLO funds. Good for 0.5 Bitcoin plus. Okay, so long-term strategy, staking COV for discounts, 1+ year history. So you can see that he is active for more than 450 days, actually 459 days, and total profit is 51%. Today is a bit negative, but it might be stable long term. You'll see also here the profit distribution, and if you want to follow any trader, you'll see that it depends on how much you deposit. If you deposit the minimum, which is 0.001, you will have 60% of the profit generated by the trader. 20% will go to the platform, so PrimeXBT. Of course, they have to earn as well. This is why they created this solution. And the manager takes 20% as well. Actually, manager always takes 20%. So if you are a good trader, you can earn 20% from the couple of people who will follow you. But let's say you want to deposit equal or more than 0.1 BTC, then you'll have 75% of the whole profits. 5% will go to the platform and 20% will go to the manager. Here you'll see a profitability chart. Let's see by months. Okay, so you'll see that there are profitable months and there are negative months. That depends on the market conditions and trader, individual trader. You also see indicators, so you'll see profitability in 7 days, 30 days, and 180 days. You'll see maximum drawdown, that all time that the trader had, and in 30 days. And you'll also see a win ratio all time and win ratio in 30 days. If it's around 70-80%, I think that's a good win ratio. Okay, let's see some other trader. Let's analyze what else can we take into consideration when choosing traders. So one of the characteristics that we can look at are the number of followers. So if a lot of people are following a trader, it might be a good trader to follow. Let's see this Roger person. He's active for 300 days, has 7.5 bitcoins, and his followers equity. You'll see the chart here, etc. You'll see that the last 30 days he made a profit of 20%, and win ratio in 30 days was 100%, all time 96%. So it seems like a good choice. Okay, he has a little bit description here, 15 years of experience. Okay, and you can see his strategy if you go to this link. Let's see another person. Let's see this one. Some of the traders will have Twitter profiles or Telegram groups, so you can basically, if you want to follow a person who will give you some kind of support or updates, you'll see his Twitter page. You'll see that he provides analysis from time to time, etc. So maybe it's a better choice, if you choose a person who is verified, and who verified means he verified with his personal ID. Okay, and you can see description here. So better safe than sorry. He recommends to, if you want to follow him, to have at least 0.1 Bitcoin stake COV for discounts and fees. Okay. Here you can also check the equity, followers equity, and margin. Okay. So yeah. So what my advice is, if you want to like create the safest strategy for you, the good choice in my opinion always is diversification. So if you have some capital that you want to put into Covesting module, you don't have to choose one trader. You can choose like 5 or more traders. That depends on your capital, etc. And that will create theoretically less risk for you. Let's say one trader will not be profitable, but the other will be. Okay, so you can choose few traders. The more risk you can like choose the risk is if you see a lot of profit, probably it will be a riskier strategy. You can then choose another trader with a little bit less but a safer strategy, and in this way you'll be able to diversify the risk on this platform. Okay, so, and you know, even if you're a passive investor, if you want just to sit down and you know just look at your profits, it's always good to check, you know. And remember that if you feel uncomfortable, if you see that market is you know like correcting or whatever, you can always take out your funds, you know, take your money and leave, or wait for a better market. That's always what you can do. So yeah, I think that's it, guys. Be sure to do your own research. All right, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only showing you the possibility and trying to explain as much as I can. This is my personal opinion, so you know you have to always do your own research and decide yourself if you want to join. But I think it's a great possibility for people who are beginners, for people who want to try, maybe learn a little bit. You know, while some, you know, while traders do a job for you, you can go to, if you want to get some education while before or while you're trading, you can always go to Medium. You know, there are many articles about Covesting. You can also join their Telegram community. From here you'll see that they have a great group on Telegram, almost 10,000 members, and you can, you know, talk with people. You know, maybe you have some ideas, maybe you want to see what people are choosing. It's good to go here, you know, exchange opinions, etc. So this is what you can do. There you'll also be able to get the most recent updates and plans for the future before you make a decision. So that's a good thing to do, to go to the Telegram. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and see you soon on other videos. Bye guys.